Hello students, today we will see the next concept is use of final. The word final is a keyword in Java language. We have already seen the final keyword is used in several different contexts with the variable declaration, methods and classes as a modifier, meaning that what is modified cannot be changed in some sense. Any final keyword when declared with variables, methods and classes specifically means a final variable cannot be reassigned once initialized. Then second is a final method cannot be overridden, and about the class, a final class cannot be extended. Remember these three rules. Then first is final with variables. If any variable in Java is declared using final keyword, with final keyword, then they are known as a final variable. For example, final data type variable name, this is the syntax for final variable. And then examples, final pi is equal to 3.14, that means pi variables declared as a final variable. Then second is final with methods. We can also declare that methods are final. Methods that is declared final cannot be overridden in a subclass. This is the rule for final methods. If method of any class is defined using final keyword, then they are known as a final method in Java because they cannot be redefined. The syntax for final method: access, specifier, that means protected, public, private, protected, then final keyword, then return type, method name and arguments, then here method body. Then third is final with classes. If we want the classes not be the subclass by any other class, then it is declared as a final. In Java, if we define any class using final keyword, any class with final keyword, then this type of class is known as a final class in Java. Classes declared as a final cannot be extended. Syntax for final classes: final class, class name and then its member for the classes. Then we have already seen final methods and final keywords, final variables. So here we will see only final classes example. Suppose this is the one of the programs for final with classes. Import java.io.star, final class demo, public void display, system.out.println hello, and public class demo to extend demo1. Then public static void main string args demo d is equal to new demo, then d dot display. Here one of the rule is whenever classes can be declared with the final, then we cannot extended the class. So here output is cannot inherit from the final demo. Then next concept is use of abstract classes and abstract methods. Abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details. What is the main purpose of the abstraction? Hiding the implementation details and showing only functionalities to the user. Then abstraction let you focus on what the object does instead of how does it is. And an abstract class is a class which one of the methods are declared but not defined. That means body of these methods are omitted. Such methods is called as an abstract method. And whenever we have abstract classes can be used to create object references and the abstract class declared with the abstract keywords. Then first we will see the abstract classes. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionalities of the user. Then abstraction let you focus on what the object does instead of how it does it. Then an abstraction class, here we will see abstraction class. Abstraction class is the class in which one or more method are declared. one or more methods are declared but not defined. That means the body of these methods are omitted. Such methods are called as the abstract methods. A class that is declared with abstract keyword is known as a abstract class in Java. That means whenever we declare the class with the abstract keyword, then this class is called as the abstract class. And abstract class is a super class that only defines a generalize from which will be shared by all its subclasses. The purpose of abstract classes is to define a base classes which can be extended by subclasses to create a full implementation. When a class contains one or more abstract method, then it should be declared as a abstract, and you must use abstract keyword to make the classes abstract. But we cannot use the abstract classes to instantiate object directly. Then syntax for abstract class: use the abstract keyword class, then class name, and here body of the class. Then second is abstract method. The methods sometimes there is a situation, that means in which you feel the need of superclass that has only declarations of few or all the methods with some definitions or few of none of any methods. Then it is necessary that it must not be completely defined or implemented class. The methods are declared only and specified by the abstract type modifier called as an abstract method. It is the responsibility of concrete subclass to implement all abstract methods of superclass. The methods are declared only and specified by the abstract type modifier is called as the abstract methods. It is a responsibility of the concrete subclass to implement all abstract methods of a superclass. In short, the methods which have only declarations and no method body in the class are called as the abstract methods. That means methods which has only declaration but no method body is called as the abstract methods. Then abstract methods are declared using the keyword abstract. Then abstract method should be defined in the subclass. Then abstract method does not have any body. It is always ends with the semicolon. Then syntax: access specifier, you can use any access specifier, abstract, then return type, method name and its arguments, then semicolon. Here one of the example: abstract void area, then semicolon. Area is the abstract method. Then here we will see one of the example for abstract classes and abstract method. Here class shape, then double pi is equal to 3.14. Then here declare the method abstract void area, then void display and display non-abstract method of class shape. Then declare one of the class rectangle extend to the shape class. Then here rectangles variables data members int l and v. Then a rectangle suppose int x and int y. Then l is equal to x and b is equal to y. Here b is equal to y. Then void area, implementing abstract methods. Then system.out.println area of rectangle. Then system.out.println length is equal to l. Then breadth is equal to b, and formula of area of rectangle is l into b. So here printing the area, system.out.println area is equal to l into b. Then class circle extend to the also shape class. Then here double r and circle double x, r is equal to x. Then void area, system.out.println area of the circle, formula pi r square. Then a radius, then here pi r square r into r. Then call these two methods class a bst, then public static void main string args, then shape s. Then rectangle r is equal to new rectangle and pass the value of l and b 10 and 5. Then s is equal to r and s dot area, and area pass the value only radius 2.5 c dot area. Then here we will use the abstract class and also abstract method. Then when we run this program, we will get the output: area of rectangle, length is equal to 10, breadth is equal to 5, L into B, area is equal to 50. Then area of circle 2.5, and here area pi r square. Then when we run this program, we will get this output.